scary as humans, yeah.
No, did you is it like you guys are being self-taught?
Very relaxed female.
Thanks, Sam and Rob. Enjoy your month.
Thanks, Betty.
Thanks for finding her again.
They just see us as one object with the vehicle. They don't actually see us as human beings, which is one of the reasons why I ask you not to stand up, not to move around a lot, because the minute you stand up, you're breaking a structure they trust. And then now they start to see you as a predator.
Suck about 8 litres into the trunk in one go. And then spread into the mouth. Most of it falls on the ground again.
Promise going to be.
Yeah, once they're full, they're not interested in. No.
It's hard to see.
Oh.
What is going to happen with this female? Now, because she recently lost a cub, so this is might be another pregnant.
Anybody seen Lameti this morning? Let's go to downwind. I did see tracks at 4 ways as well. I wasn't sure how fresh they were. Okay then, thank you.
So they need those beds to clean them up. Oh, look at that.
He's nice. He's very nice.
Look at that. He's quite an actor. That's nice.
He's like, I've got a good spot. Don't come any closer here.
From where they are, they're actually not very far. So, but at the moment,
Impressive, eh? Very, very impressive.
Oh look, there's so many now.
yeah, they live in colonies, so you might find that there'll be plus minus 20 of them.
Oh, there's so many there.
Living here with mom.
Very close to Dumfries. He's mobile in an opposite direction. He's on our cheetah.